Another cedar dock pole. Surface rot here. You can see, look at all that. Still pretty hopeful that there'll be some good cedar. This is kind of the telltale right there. Looks solid there, doesn't mean it's going to be solid in there. So only way we're going to find out is if we get after it, and that's what we're going to do. Well, doing good. Stop right there. Roll to me. Yep, that's good. Go ahead and back out. Nicely done. Woo! Nice. Good looking cedar. It's got one check right that runs right down through here, but this is almost 12 feet. It's like 11'9". So that end can be cut off if need be, or I can mill it down. It actually came out to be 8 by 12, just a hair under 12. So I'll let this kind of sit, air out. This log's been sitting out of the lake for almost 2 years, and so it's probably pretty much done doing any weirdness, checking, twisting, or whatever, but I'll let this thing sit for a couple more months and just kind of watch it. If that check gets to be really bad, I'll probably end up milling it down below it to get rid of that. But I can get some more 1x like I got out of here. Got some decent 1x, and I got a nice live edge 2-inch thick slab there too to make some cool shelving. But yeah, some good looking cedar though. Awesome. Great way to end the day. Did you guys get the fire going?
Yeah. Yep.
Right on. Let's go hang out and enjoy. Talk to you guys next time. Another cedar dock pole. Surface rot here. You can see, look at all that.